Power through a wide range of jobs with the Porter Cable 20V Max Lithium-Ion Combo Kit. The 5.5-inch circular saw features 3,700 max RPMs to easily slice through 2x4s, tool-free depth adjustment, and a 45-degree bevel. Delivering up to 283 unit watts out, the half-inch drill driver has 2 speeds to make shifting from precision fastening to serious drilling quick and easy. Plus, the integrated LED is great for dimly lit spaces. You'll also get more done with less fatigue thanks to its compact, lightweight design and comfort grip handle. With up to 3,000 strokes per minute and a 7/8-inch stroke length for fast cutting, the reciprocating saw offers a pivoting shoe and tool-free blade changes for quickly adjusting to the task at hand. The included work light has a pivoting head to put the focus right where you need it. And when it's time to pack up, the contractor bag will keep it all together. For a versatile set of powerful cordless tools, look no further than Porter Cable's 20V Max Lithium-Ion 4-Tool Combo Kit.